As a quick video of 2004 350Z. Just a quick instruction on what to do about changing the belt or adjusting the alternator belt. It is quite a task. For one, you'll see there's the belts down there, and you'll have to check up the car on some stands, and then remove the engine cover, and then you'll see here you'll need to loosen this lock nut here, and then here is the screw, adjustment screw, and you'll back that out, and the belts will slide off. So and then that'll be for this main belt right here.